Now let's see the application of artificial intelligence. Now, first application when the artificial intelligence start, uh, the concepts comes to the picture. After that, the first application for the artificial intelligence was the expert system. Okay, and the first expert system were developed related with the field medical diagnosis. Okay, now we'll understand this, what exactly mean by the expert system. Okay, first we understand what is actually mean by the expert system. Okay, now expert system in the general if you take the general meaning, expert system is something which is having the knowledge about that particular thing. Understood? That expert of particular what you can say, the expert of particular subject area or the sector, that particular thing we are referring it as an expert. For example, if you take the example of doctor. Okay, so doctor is the expert related with the various kind of uh, health problem or the related to the various kind of disease. Okay, and uh, if you go to the doctor and if he check you and if you find the symptoms like the what you can say, the headache, uh, temperature above certain levels, high level temperature, if you are a person having the breathing problem, then from that the doctor can easily tell that you are having the symptoms of the corona disease. Okay, so there that doctor as a human being is now become the expert. Understood? It is being considered as a human expert. Understood? So now we don't want the doctor as a human being to be an expert. We want something as a non-natural system as a expert system. Understood? So how the non-natural system can become the expert system, and that for that purpose, now non-natural system as an expert system can be nothing but the a machine. Yes or no? So here you can read the definition of what exactly mean by the experts in artificial intelligence. And expert system is a computer system that emulate the decision making ability of human expert. Means computer system in the sense the machine that emulate. Meaning of the emulates is copying, means copy or the replicate. Okay, the machine who can make the decision just like the human being, the way human being making the decision. Here I told you related with the doctor, the way doctor is making the decision. We want to develop a machine, a computer system who can make the decision, or who can make the who can copy the decision same like the decision being made by the human expert. Then that system is called as what, the expert system. Developing the non-natural system who can make the decision like the human expert, that is called as what, the expert system. And such kind of expert system can only be developed using the artificial intelligence that is being developed as a first medical diagnosis expert system. Okay, so now we are also going to develop in our practical one expert system that is related with the medical diagnosis, and for that purpose we are going to utilize the Prolog language. Okay, programming in logic. That language, with the help of that language, we are going to develop the sample expert system. So in order to develop the expert system, there is a huge role of the artificial intelligence. Okay, now here as you can see how the doctor can tell you have the corona, because doctor has taken the degree, he has learned the number of things, etc., etc. Understood? Now if you want, the computer should recognize whether you have the particular disease or not. So in case of that, you need to put that kind of information as a programming intelligence. You need to put the intelligence within a that particular system by using some programming concept. Understood? That is referred as a programming intelligence. Understood? So unless and until you put that particular information knowledge within a computer system or within that machine, until that machine will not able to tell you, or until that machine not will able to behave like the human expert. Understood? So to put that kind of knowledge within that machine, there is a use of various kind of language, and Prolog language is the one of that kind of language who can make the machine, that machine expert just like the human expert. Understood? So expert system is nothing but like making the computer system intelligent, able to make the decision just like the human expert, emulating the decision making ability of the human expert. Okay, so that is nothing but what one of the application of the artificial intelligence of the expert system. Developing the expert system using the artificial intelligence, it is possible to develop the various kind of expert system. Okay, now just move forward to the next application, that is the natural language processing. Okay, now the term itself giving us the idea, natural language processing. Which are the natural language like English, Hindi, Marathi, Urdu. These are the various kind of natural languages are there. Okay, so this is also the one separate field, being the subfield of the computer science, information engineering, and the artificial intelligence. Now, what exactly is this natural language processing? Okay, so natural language processing is nothing but what, just like when I am speaking with you in the English, you process whatever I am speaking with you, you analyze that. Okay, that is nothing but the processing of natural language. And if I ask you the question, after I ask you the question, you analyze my question, my language, process it, and then you will give me the answer in the same language. Understood? So the natural language is simply nothing but what, processing and analyzing large amount of natural language data. Understood? Now, just like I am speaking with you in the English, you are understanding it. How you can understand it? You process it, analyze it. Understood? And then it become possible for you to understand it. We want the program, we want to develop a particular machine. Okay, we want to develop a particular computer who can process and analyze the large amount of natural language data, just like human beings are processing and analyzing large amount of natural language data. When I'm speaking with you, you analyze and process natural language data. We want to develop such kind of computer or the machine who can process and analyze this kind of large amount of natural language data. Understood? That is nothing but the called as what, natural language processing, which concern with what, interaction between the computers and the human natural languages. Now, why this is important? Because when we want to develop the machine to which you can speak in the English, to which you can speak in the Marathi, to which you can speak in the Hindi. Understood? And in order to develop that machine, the concept which is being very much important is what, and need to be there is what, natural language. Now, when this become possible, when you can interact with the machine in the natural language, only if machine can do the what, natural language processing. Natural language processing in the sense, machine should process that language, machine should analyze that language, and by processing and analyzing that language, machine should able to understand that, and machine should able to reply you in that language. That is simply called as what, the natural language processing. Understood? In particular, making the program computers to process and analyze large amount of natural language data. If computer can process and analyze this natural language, then only he can understand the natural language, and after understanding that natural language, only he can reply us in the natural language. I will tell you the example of this. Okay. Next, Speech recognition. Now speech recognition is also the one of the application of natural language processing. Speech recognition in the sense, when I'm speaking with you, you are understanding what is the meaning of the words which is being spoken by me. Understood? Understand the meaning of the different words or phrases spoken by particular person is nothing but what the speech recognition. Same I have mentioned here. Speech recognition is ability of machine or program to identify words and phrases in spoken language and convert them into the machine readable format. Understood? So another name for the machine speech recognition is what? Voice recognition. Used to, okay. So speech recognition and the voice recognition is the quietly similar. Understood? So using this application of the speech recognition, you can operate the device without touching that device, without touching the keyboard of the device, without touching the mouse of that device. Understood? Or you can write without touching the keyboard, mouse, etc., etc. You can operate the device without touching the keyboard, mouse, or without pressing the buttons also. Understood? So speech recognition is also one of the application of the artificial intelligence comes along with the natural language. In order to make this possible, speech recognition, the natural language processing has to become completely successful. Understood? Completely successful in the sense, machine should able to process and analyze your natural language like Hindi, English, Marathi, like that kind of things. Understood? Now come to the application of these 2 points, the natural language processing and speech recognition. Understood? I hope you have got the point of speech recognition is nothing but what? Machine should able to understand, or machine should have the ability to identify the words or phrases spoken in particular natural language. Understood? Now, 2 best examples are there related with these 2 concepts, which you might have used also, like now there are the various applications are available in the market, okay, which are supporting these 2 important concept of natural language processing and the speech recognition. Understood? Like for the related with the different kinds of platform. For example, iOS, the operating system utilized in the Apple, they are having their application for them, that is the Siri. Okay. For the Android devices, they are having the application that is the Google Now or the Google Assistant. And for the Windows mobiles, there is an application like Cortana. Now, what this application does, you can simply download this kind of, if you are using the Android mobile, you can simply download this application like Google Assistant, okay, from the Play Store. Okay, as I said, these applications supporting these 2 concepts, natural language processing and the speech recognition. Now, if you download the Google Assistant and if you start it and you give instruction using your voice, instruction like open the music player or tell me who is the Prime Minister of India. Now, without typing anything, this particular your mobile device and the application which is there, that is the Google Assistant, will give you the answer automatically. Understood? Now, how this is become possible? Because of this application, Google Assistant, which is being developed by the Google. Now, that application does what? That application understand your language. For example, you are giving the instruction in the language English, it understand your language as a English. Understood? And it will give you the reply in the English only. Understood? That is nothing but what? The machine should understand the natural language. That is the point I'm telling you here. What? Interaction between the computer and the human languages. Computer in the sense, the machine and the human language. So that your mobile device listening your instruction which is being given in the English language and giving you the answer in the English language. Now with the help of what? With the help of that Google Assistant application. Understood? How it become possible? That Google Assistant application as a programmable entity process your language, whatever you are speaking, and after processing it, it understand it, and by understanding it, it gives you the answer of whatever question you will ask to that particular device. You can also give the different instruction like play the music player, then it will automatically play the music player. If you ask him to play some song, it will automatically play that song also. How it is becoming possible? Because of the concept of natural language processing and speech recognition. As I said, in the speech recognition, machine having the ability to identify words and the phrases spoken in certain language and then converting it to the machine readable format. Understood? So, to understand these 2 points, the natural language processing and speech recognition, you must install the Google Assistant and try this thing with the Google Assistant. Okay, if you have the Apple mobile, you can try with the Siri application. If you have the Windows mobile, you can try with the Cortana application. Understood? So here I also mentioned we can using this kind of application, we can make them to make calls, send messages, set reminders, take notes, recognize music, find nearby restaurants, check calendars, and many more things you can do with the help of this application. These are nothing but the perfect example of natural language processing and the speech recognitions. Okay, it is understanding the meaning of your words if you are speaking it in the English language. Now I said it can natural language processing means it should process the any natural language like Hindi, English, Marathi, likewise. But nowadays only it is supporting the English language. Now in the further in the future, it will also support the different kind of what you can say the another languages also. But nowadays it is working with the English language only. Okay, so this is the great example. Okay, which comes out of the application of artificial intelligence. Okay, then another important application is the robotics. Okay, robotics is also one more very good popular application of the artificial intelligence. Now first you need to understand what exactly mean by the robotics, and then you'll understand by relating it with the artificial intelligence. Now if you see, you must be knowing robotics is nothing but also branch of technology that deal with the physical robots, that deal with the physical robots in the sense that deals with the making the robots. Okay, designing of the robots using the various kind of components, collecting together that components like artificial hands, legs, these kind of things. So by collecting together different these different kind of components and making the human like machine is nothing but the concept is nothing but the what you can say the robotics. Okay, and you can also put some programs within that machines also, that robots are programmable machine that are usually able to carry out the series of action autonomously or the semi-autonomously. Autonomously in the sense the machine should able to perform the activity without even without giving the instruction also automatically. Understood? Now there are the number of robots who can perform the action only if you give the instruction, and nowadays modern robots are there who can perform the action by itself without even giving the instruction from the human being also. Okay, so robotics is the part of the engineering and science that is deals with the creation and building the robots. Understood? Creation and the building the robots is nothing but called as a robotics, and with that some computer programming. Okay, now you can, if you observe the robots, completely it look like the human being. Okay, completely looks like the human being, but they are just the machines. Okay, even if they are looking like the human beings. Okay, so robotics is simply building and constructing the robots. Understood? With some computer programming in that. Understood? Understood? That is nothing but the field of the robotics, making the robots. Now from where this word robotics come? Now this robotics word come from the word robot. Okay, And this word robot has come from the word robota. And from where this, what actually meaning of this word robota? Robota means labor or the worker. Now to whom you call the labor or the worker? हम किसे labor और worker कहते हैं? जो काम हम उनको बताएंगे वही काम वो करेंगे, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Labor. The certain person who can work according to the given instruction, that person we are calling as a labor or the worker. Now what robot actually is doing? Robot is doing the same thing. Robot is doing the activity according to the instruction given by the human being. Understood? That's why they are being named as a robots, as a laborers. Okay. और robots बनाने का जो concept है, the things which is related to the creation and building of the robots, that field is called as what? Robotics. Understood? Now, one point we have to understand here, by how we can relate the robotics, how the robotics is nothing but the application of artificial intelligence. Now, in order to understand in order to understand robotics as an application of the artificial intelligence, we need to understand the difference between the simple robot and the artificial robot. Here you have to take it as an artificial intelligent robot. Okay. In order to understand the application of robotics as an application of artificial intelligence, we need to understand the difference between the simple robot and the artificial robot. Okay. Now, suppose if I tell you the example, first we understand about the simple robot. Okay. Now, simple robot, suppose there is one workshop is there. Okay, one workshop is there, and in that workshop there are the two objects, there are the two locations are there, location 1 and the location 2. Okay, there are the two locations, location 1 and the location 2, and you ask the robot to take the object from location 1 to the location 2. You understand the situation? There are the two locations, location 1 and the location 2, and the number of objects are kept at the location 1, and you ask the robot to take that objects and put that objects in the location 2. So robot has asked to do the only one activity, take the object from the location 1 and put it in the location 2. Understood? Now, if the simple robot is there, what is the meaning of simple robot is here? The robot which is not having any kind of camera along with that. The robot is not having any kind of what you can say, in simple, the robot without brain. That is the simply meaning of simple robot. Means what? He is being developed only to do the only one that task. What task? To take that object from one location and put that object to the another location. Now consider, if you remove that object from location 1 and put it somewhere, now what robot will do then? Robot will not do anything, because that robot is not having what you can say, camera along with that. If it has a camera, he can search it anywhere where exactly that object is, but it doesn't have any camera, so he will remain idle, he will not do anything. So that is nothing but the simple robot. Understood? Now, that simple robot, if you program that simple robot, a simple robot can be programmed to pick up object and place it in the another location and repeat this task until you ask that robot to stop. Understood? Now this simple programming is being done with that robot, but it has no camera, it has no what you can say, visual perception, etc., etc. Now, if that simple robot, you can make some addition to that, like with the addition of camera and AI algorithms. If that simple robot, in that simple robot, we make the addition of camera and the AI algorithms, then that robot can see the object. Even if you move that object somewhere, you can if you use the camera and some AI algorithms, the machine learning algorithms, then AI algorithms along with the machine learning algorithm. That robot can see the object. Even if you move that object, he can detect what exactly that object is and determine from that it should be where it should be placed. Understood? So this is nothing but the example of artificially intelligent robot. Understood? So in case of the robotics, if you want to make that robot quite intelligent, means if you want to make that robot to act autonomously means without even giving the instruction also, or what is the meaning of autonomous is nothing but what? The robot should able to make the decision of its own. Okay. Now, how the robots can make the decision of its own? Only when that robots is being added with some kind of extra sensors like cameras and other sensors, and with that, along with that, some artificial intelligent algorithms, then and then only that robots can make its decision by their own. Understood? So that is the difference between the simple robot and artificially intelligent robot. To make the simple robot artificially intelligent, we need to add some extra what you can say, the functionality like extra sensors. Along with that, we need to add some programming intelligence in that through the AI algorithms, etc. Now, what are the AI algorithms, etc., that we will see. Understood? So only if this is being done, then only that robot can become the intelligent. Okay. And so that's why this is being put under the application of artificial intelligence, robotics, because using the artificial intelligence, the simple robot can be made completely intelligent robots, completely autonomous. Understood? So that is the good example of in the application of AI, that is the robotics. Now here also I have shown. Now a lot of the person having the confusion that the robotics and the artificial intelligence are the similar things, but not. There is a exact difference is there. You can see this is the separate field, robotics, and is the artificial. Now this overlapping portion you can see being shared by both of these two fields, and that point already I explained you. These two fields sharing this middle area. Okay, means to make the robotics, in the sense to make the robot quite intelligent, you have to take the help of what? Artificial intelligence. And if you take the help of artificial intelligence, you have to take the artificial help of the artificial intelligence means what? You have to put some kind of intelligence within that simple robot through some AI algorithms, through the now what that AI algorithms will do, what that AI programming intelligence will do, that programming intelligence will that helpful for the cooperating or coordinating the different sensor that you are going to utilize within the robots. Understood? And after utilizing the artificial intelligence with the robotics, then that robot becomes what? That robot becomes the artificially intelligent robots. Understood? So robotics is a different field, artificial intelligence is the different field. Robotics simply related with the field of developing the robots, etc. It's artificial intelligence is the thing, but adding the kind of what you can say, the intelligence within a machine, so that that machine can behave like the human being. So then this robot, now this robot is nothing but a perfect example of artificial intelligence, which is nothing but what? Artificially intelligent robots. Okay. So you just go through this whatever I have written here. Then now commonly utilize applications or example of artificial intelligence, which is now being utilized by the various social sites and the various online product selling sites. Here I want to show you. Now I just want to show you the two live examples here, how the artificial intelligence helping for the purpose of what is a recommendation purpose and for the purpose of marketing purpose. Okay, the two examples we are going to see here. Now whenever I will use the word artificial intelligence, that itself comes with the two fields, the machine learning and the deep learning, because in order to make the artificial intelligence completely successful, there is a need of the machine learning. Understood? Now, YouTube recommendation, behind the YouTube recommendation, there is a concept of artificial intelligence, and behind the various product recommendation on various online site, there is also the technique or technology, that is the artificial intelligence. How? Let's see. Now, let me open the YouTube. Okay, account. Suppose I sign here with the YouTube account. Okay, now this is my YouTube account, and here you can see I have got the recommendations. Here you can see I have got all the recommendations. Now I used to see the serial like Mahabharat, channels like the business channels, other entertainment kind of event, etc., etc. Okay, so here automatically the recommendation being shown by YouTube to me. Understood? Now how this become possible? Now this is become possible because the YouTube keep my previous what you can say, the browsing history, my previous surfing records, etc., etc. Okay, and based on that, now this browsing history, surfing records is nothing but acting as a data here. Understood? And what the machine do? Machine compare this data, and whenever next time I open the account, machine, by comparing my previous data, machine recommending me to view this kind of things. Understood? So that is nothing but the recommendation. Now here, how this become possible? This has become possible only because of the concept of machine learning, and this, that's why I said machine learning uses the data, compare that data, and then gives you the recommendation. And this is nothing but like, this is nothing but like what you can say, the non-natural intelligence being available with the machine as a artificial intelligence. Now to make this artificial intelligence successful, which algorithms were being getting utilized here? The machine learning algorithms. Understood? Now there are the various machine learning algorithms that you will see. So here, that is a best example I have shown you. That is nothing but the YouTube, the application or the example of artificial intelligence in the YouTube recommendation. Okay. Now let me tell you the second example that I told you regarding the product recommendation. Okay, regarding the product recommendation by the Amazon. Okay, now whenever go to the site of the Amazon, and if you type here the Redmi mobile, it is showing you the Redmi mobile. If you click here, okay, now below you can see here it is. Let's see what is being written here. What other items do customer buy after viewing these items? Means previously some customer has viewed this item, and along with this item, that customer has also viewed these items also, and that customer has also viewed these items also. Understood? And here this is nothing but what? Recommendation. These two parts, this and this, nothing but the recommendation provided by Amazon to me. Now this recommendation provided by Amazon to me, based on some previous customer has viewed these, and along with that he also viewed these also, and that's why it is showing to me, because I have opened this item and Amazon is recommending me that the previous customer, along with these items, the previous customer has also viewed these and these. Now this is nothing but the one of the way of doing the marketing through the advertisement, and this advertisement is being get done with the help of what? With the help of the previous customer history. Based on the whatever the previous customer has viewed this item, based on that this recommendation is done by the Amazon. Understood? Now how this become possible? Only because of the artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence made successful by the machine learning. Machine keep the history of the with the help how the machine analyze these kind of things with the help of the machine learning algorithm. So with the help of the machine learning algorithm, machine keep all this data, compare this, and whenever next time some person view this item, machine already having along with this the history of the previously person viewing this item. Along with that, he might have viewed these items also, and that's why he is recommending to me that along with this you can also view these items also. Understood?